everyone. I'm just going to quickly review teacher-centered and learner-centered teaching, and you were supposed to do this activity. I just wanted to quickly go over, of course, you saw the pros and cons. There are advantages to both. Generally, for our L's, student teaching works better because they're working together in small groups, they're doing pair shares, they're doing activities, and the teacher can walk around and facilitate. There'll be times when, of course, we have to do teacher-centered when we want to deliver some knowledge, but for the most part, you can expect that student-centered room to be a little bit noisy, but students are creating language. Remember, we need our students to talk. So I just wanted to make sure that you understood these and the difference, and quickly to go over theirs, and there's our teacher with our groups versus teacher-centered. Okay, so quickly, instructed model. Students interact with instructor and one another. That's student-centered. Student works alone. Teacher-centered. Focuses on the instructor. Teacher-centered. Students evaluate their own learning along with the instructor. That's student-centered. Students answer each other's questions. That's student-centered. Classroom's quiet. This is generally teacher-centered. Instructor talks. Students listen. Teacher-centered. Focuses on both students and instructor. That's student-centered. Students work in pairs, groups, that's student-centered. Teacher shares information quickly. This is teacher-centered. This is the big advantage of teacher-centered is if I have to teach something like right now, I can just give it to you, give you a dump of information. We know it's correct. You're listening, paying attention, taking notes. Of course, you're home right now. But if you're in the classroom versus student-centered, that information comes slowly. Sometimes it's not always right. So that's a big advantage. Teacher monitors and corrects every student utterance. That's teacher-centered. Students have some choice of topic. That's usually student-centered. Students talk without constant instructor monitoring. Student-centered. Instructors answer students' questions about language. Student-centered. Students may be asked to answer questions. Student-centered. Classroom's noisy and busy. That's student-centered. All right, that just reviewed your activity and a short video. We'll see you later. Bye-bye. From this point on, make sure most of your activities are student-centered. You can have teacher-centered moments, but mostly we are student-centered.